Hey, how's it going? Welcome back to my channel. And I think some friend in the comment zone saying that the Krea updates the toolbars. I didn't notice that until you guys told me that. And I checked. Indeed, we have a bunch of the new feature like this one. This is a generate image and also upload image and eraser. Okay, let me introduce that. Why Korea team want to introduce the eraser? Because some people, some users are complaining in the community of the Korea on Discord. Yeah. By the way, you can also join the community of Korea in uh, Discord, and you can join uh, the community, introduce yourself, and also you can report the bugs or share your work. Yeah, I did share our channel recently. Yeah. Okay. So let me introduce how to use the eraser first. Okay. So before today, if we have stuff like this, and we have wheels like this. Yeah. So we have a car, right? The reason why Korea can understand this is a car because I already typed the prompts here, right? And if I accidentally draw something awful like this, then if I want to remove this stuff, used to be the way that we can use the select tool and select the objects, and we can either delete it or we can change it, right? But sometimes if we have too many stuff going on like this, and we can have something like that, right? We want to cut some certain parts, then we are really helpless, right? So we can use the way like we can use the background color and use the brush to kind of cheat, right? Yeah, but it's not work if you have image as a background, right? So eraser can easily solve this problem if we choose eraser and we have a certain amount, and we can easily remove the certain part. Yay, finally! We have the tools that we've been looking for months, right? Yeah, this is eraser. I hope you like it, and I think everybody know how to use eraser, right? Okay, another tool. This is called the generate image. So this tools can introduce at once. First, upload image. I believe we already introduced in Korea. We can copy and paste from anywhere, like from your Photoshop, from the web browser, from Google. You can paste your image, and they can generate accordingly. But this one is really special. It's called generate image. So when you click here, then we have an image, right? It's generator inside of another generator. So we can actually delete it and click again, and we can change like a modern car. Give a second. Yeah, a modern car. Okay. So that we can have a generator that showing a basic object, and we can modify it. But the background, we don't like the background, right? We want to remove the background. So click your left panel, sorry, your right panel on your mouse, and we have the several selections like the bring to the front, bring to the forwards, and also we have this remove background. Wow, nice. So if we use that, the background will be gone, but it's need a little bit time, and we can like this and delete that. And we can even add few stuff on this image because this are also the image that we create, right? Yeah. Okay. I'm not sure. Like maybe a wing. Oh, you mean understand me with the wings. Yeah, terrific. Okay, and then we can enhance a little bit. Oh, looks nice, right? So basically, these tools can help us to generate an image inside of our generator, and we can modify it. We can even remove the background, or we can upload the image from our computer, and then we can also remove the background of our image. So it's become more advanced and more convenient for us to modify the image inside of our Krea, and we can generate the image accordingly. So that's all for today, and we have a new three powers: generate image, and upload image, and eraser. Yeah. Thank you. It's for a long time, right? I know somebody asked for it for a really long time. And if you have any question, please ask in the comment zone. I will respond immediately when I saw it. Okay, then we can clear all the image at once by click the trash bin icon, and we can click the Command Z to bring back our image, just like Photoshop and Figma. Every software have this hotkeys. Okay. All right. Thank you for watching and hope you like it. See you next time. Bye bye.